by Coons Market, your hometown Pittsburgh grocer. The following is a test of the emergency alert system. Extended operational area. This concludes this emergency alert system test.
And they are like, ho, 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 you know, we don't do hormones here.
This is a test of the broadcast stations of your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.